Hey everyone, it's Michael.com. Hey, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to be having a couple awesome videos with some awesome people in the industry. Um, Stuff involving religious audio, audiovisual, as well as college audiovisual. I have two professionals that I was speaking with, so look forward to that. That's going to come out very soon. And then so here's the thing, everyone. I wanted to start doing these blog podcasts. My goal for you audio visual gurus. Listen, I want to make a video every day. One, because I've always wanted to do that. Second off, I want to show you the skills. I want to show you that there's so much out there that we can do. And I feel we're disconnected as an industry sometimes. We're not talking. Like, we may have a reviewer that's reviewing this piece of equipment, but let's have real talk. Real talk. And remember, everyone, if you have an idea, if you have a suggestion, as I said, I've been working on doing some Zoom calls with some people, and that's what I'm going to keep doing. And I'm going to make sure, if it's not a small video like this or a larger video or audio, I'm going to make sure you guys get an opportunity to get some kind of news. Now, I did want to let you know this coronavirus, big thing, and I'm going to start doing some information about AV equipment and how we can clean AV equipment properly without damaging it. If you do have any gigs, or in the future when things get back to possibly normal, we need to start thinking about protecting us as AV technicians, protecting us as production engineers, protecting us when we go to a job and here's all the equipment that we have no idea has the flu virus, influenza, A, B, C, whatever, corona, the common cold, someone sneezed on it. The fact is, we need to make sure as an industry, we need to start practicing better hygiene in that area. We need to make sure the equipment is safe for us. Please comment and subscribe to The Mix is Almost Perfect. Go to my Facebook, go to my YouTube, and if you agree with me that our equipment needs to be taken care of, we need to take care of our equipment to protect us. Please like this, please respond that if you agree that our equipment needs to be taken care of, we need to take care of it. When we're bringing it out, we need to clean it. When we're putting it back in, we need to clean it. We need to make sure it's clean. Now, I know, and so I'm going to be working on something. Because I know with analog equipment, it may be a little more difficult, especially since you don't want to touch, different knobs that you've been working on, especially, you don't want to mess certain EQs up and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do a little research for you guys and find out what would be the best spray on. And I'm thinking Lysol will work, but I don't want to give you information that could damage really expensive, tech. So let me do some research. Let me see if I can call up some of these companies. Shure, Sennheiser, Audio-Technica, any equipment that has hardware. Actually, I don't think Audio-Tech. Yeah, they do. Anyway, the fact is, let me find out. Let me call up and find out if there is a good way to clean the equipment without damaging the equipment. And I'll get back to you, and that will be in either a nice video like this. Maybe I'll talk to some other people. I could show you, which is something I may want to do an instructional, which would be cool. So just look out for that. Hopefully I see you guys soon. As I said, I've been doing lots of work at the studio. I've been bringing in people, keeping the 6-foot distance, doing Zoom calls. As I said, see you soon. Remember, themixisalmostperfect.com with your host, Michael Massura. Thanks, guys. Bye.